something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer?
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Caroline. Karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, you know you're my favorite person. So guys, today I want to restock and reset for the coming week because it's a weekend. Today is on Saturday. I want to restock my fridge, so I'm going to go shopping at the supermarket for a few items because the end month is around the corner, so I'll just buy a few items. I also want to pass by the greengrocer and also buy some cereals, so I'll take you along with me. That's the plan of the day.
Can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my your love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story with dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far.
So guys, I'm back and this is what I bought. I bought chapati flour. I bought cling film. I bought some muffins. Minute Maid or mango. I bought some white vinegar. I bought some cooking oil. I have run out of it. I bought some bicarbonate of soda, some fresher milk. I bought some pasta. I bought some chocolate milk for the kids, 1 chocolate and 1 strawberry flavor. I bought some nyama bite, Vaseline, some yogurt. I bought some ice cream. It was on offer, buy one get one free.
We can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my head.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
bought some groceries as well to restock the fridge with. I'm going to wash them, dry them, and then store them in the fridge.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. 'Cause you're in my head. You are. 'Cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my. What you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my. What you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my. You're the love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. 'Cause you're in my head. You are. 'Cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. 'Cause you're in my head. You are. 'Cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my. What you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Your fingers on me slow. 'Cause you're in my head. You are. 'Cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my.
Also bought some cereals to boil and restock the freezer, but the video was too long, so I had to split it into 2. So the freezer restock will be the next video after this. Stay tuned.